So we're seeing prices come down and homes are sitting on the market much longer. What does that mean? That means we're in a buyer's market. It means the buyer has more control over the purchase of the home. Sellers are more willing to make concessions, lowering the price, paying for closing costs, etc. So what I wanted to show you is how you can do that. Right here, this is my buy down strategy. Okay. So if you've got a home that's been sitting on the market for a while, the seller really wants to sell it. And here in my area, we have over 500 homes on the market currently, and more than 100 of those have been on the market over 6 months. Some have been on the market for over a year. If you find a property that's been on the market 3 months or longer, you're likely going to be able to work with that seller and get a much lower rate. And let me show you how. So we're going to use a loan program here in scenario one, conventional loan with 10% down. Purchase price, 675,000. There's your down payment at 10%, 67,500. Interest rate. This interest rate is a little bit higher than what we just talked about because this is for a second home or an investment property. So the rates are higher than you would get on a primary. But I wanted to show you anyway what happens with the 2-1 buy down. In that first year, that 7.6 rate drops 2 full points. You can get that rate at 5.6. Then in year two, it goes to 6.6. And then in year three, it would go to that fixed 7.6 for the remainder of the term. Now, what we expect is for rates to continue to trend downwards. So, maybe in year two, the rates might be at 5%. Well, guess what? Then you're going to refinance to that fixed rate 5% for 30 years. But here's why this really works for you as a buyer. Get the home now, get the low rate now, and refinance it when rates drop. If you wait until rates drop, you're going to be competing with so many other buyers. You may not get the home that you want. And plus, prices are going to go up. Sellers aren't going to be willing to negotiate. They're not going to offer this buy down thing. So you're going to be competing with a lot more people. Now is a great time. Believe it or not, it's a great time for you. If you've been wanting to buy and you're on the sidelines because of rate, don't wait.